Welcome to CS Academy. In this video, I will cover the weightage of strength of material in GATE with the analysis of previous papers. If you see weightage of strength of material in GATE, every year we may get 8 to 10 marks in GATE. In that too, the number of 2 marks questions are asked here is 3 to 4 questions and 1 mark questions are 2 to 4. Okay. If we see the previous papers analysis, if you see 2019 paper, in set 1 we got 8 marks, in set 2 we got 9 marks. If we see 2018 paper, in set 1 we got 14 marks, in set 2 we got 10 marks. If we see 2017 paper, in set 1 we got 11 marks, in set 2 we got 8 marks. Like this, the strength of material subject in GATE carries most of weightage, that is 10% of total marks, that is 10 marks. And if we see the textbooks required for the strength of material to the students who are preparing for the GATE exam is Strength of Materials by Andrew Pytel, the Strength of Material by G.H. Ryder, and the third most important one is Strength of Material by R.K. Bansal. We prepared this book in our graduation, you all may know. You can choose any one of these 3 books to prepare for the GATE exam. Let's discuss the topics that are asked in a strength of material in GATE previous years. If you see the 2019 year, they asked thermal stresses, that is sigma thermal equal E alpha delta T, that is the change in temperature, coefficient of thermal expansion, Young's modulus. Here there is a small relation between the stress strain and twisting momentum in T by J, G theta by L and tau by R. This is the relation. And deflection of beams, let us consider the simply supported beam loading like this. What is the deflection here? Like this they asked in this one. And the Mohr circle is the most important concept in complex stresses. Okay, we may expect this question every year in the GATE exams. If we see 2018 paper, they asked the Poisson ratio, finding of Poisson ratio, like the relation E is equal to 2Z into 1 plus mu, E is equal to 3K into 1 minus 2 mu. These two relations we may use to find the Poisson ratio. And the CSS tau is called FA y bar by IB. We can find the CSS here. And the stresses in beams, that is the bending stresses, plane stresses. Here the plane stresses means if a shear stress is 0 in the complex stresses, we can consider the stress as the plane stress. And the torsion concept, the same formula what I told, T by J is equal to G theta by L is equal to tau by R. And the columns here, cripping load or buckling load is called pi square E I by L square. This is L is the effective length. We can use this formula to calculate the cripping load in the columns. And thick cylinders and thin cylinders. Here in GATE only thin cylinders are there in syllabus. There is not available in thick cylinders. And the next concept is truth stresses and engineering stresses. And the combined bars to find the stresses. These are the concepts that are asked in the 2018 GATE paper of strength of material. And if you see the 2017 paper, they asked maximum shear stress, that is the whatever I told here, that tau is called FA y bar by IB. And if we see thermal stresses, this is the most important topic in first chapter. In 2019 paper also they asked this question. We may expect this question in every year. And the bending moment, that formula m by I equal to sigma by y equal to E by R. We can use this formula to find the bending moment. And thin cylinders, what previously asked in thin cylinders. And principal stresses and strains in the plane stresses. I already told, if tau equal to 0, that stress is called the plane stresses. And in that too, we have to find the principal stresses and strains. And the torsion, I already told in the 2019 paper. And the axial load symbol. Okay, these are the topics that are asked in the 2017 of GATE exam in strength of material subject. Okay, like this, if you see, strength of material is very easy to learn to get the more marks in the GATE exam. Here I am providing in description the link of last 10 years strength of material weightage. You can download that image and you can check how in each and every year they are asking the strength of material weightage. And in next video, I will discuss the most important topics in each and every chapter in strength of material. Just follow my videos. You can easily get more marks in GATE exam. Thank you for watching my video.